Hey guys, today we're comparing Hubdoc and Dext. So basically, if you're an accountant, you're a business owner, you're a bookkeeper, you've probably already heard of Dext, you've probably already heard of Hubdoc, which are two powerful tools that basically help us automate the receipt and the document collection for our businesses. And today we're going to check which one is better for you. Basically, first, let's break down what they are, what Dext does and what Hubdoc does. Dext is formerly known as Receipt Bank. It's basically a document management tool that extracts data from receipts, invoices, and bank statements, and then it pushes all this data into your accounting software. Okay, Hubdoc is very similar in the sense that it also helps you fetch, organize these documents like bills, receipts, bank statements, but it's owned by Xero, right? You can see here that it's owned by Xero, and it was bought lots of years ago, right? So basically, today we're going to see which one is better for you. The first thing we're going to see is how they compare feature by feature, okay? And the first feature we're going to see is how they compare on the data capture and extraction, right? So both tools scan receipts and they extract key data like vendor, date, total, and taxes. But Dext in this case is more accurate and gives you more control over how these fields are mapped, right? So Hubdoc does a good job, but may require a little more manual work from your side, right? The second feature we're going to see is bank statements, okay? So Hubdoc, as it's connected also to Xero, has the option to connect directly to your business accounts, right? So basically what you have is all the bank data inside Hubdoc. But for Dext, that's not right, because Dext does not support automatic fetching from banks, okay? You have to manually upload bank statements. The third feature that we're checking is the integration with accounting software. In this case, basically, both of them connect with Xero and QuickBooks, and also in the case of Dext, a bunch more other software like Sage, Stripe, and all these things. And also Hubdoc basically connects with Xero and connects with QuickBooks. Okay, so maybe we can find this here. I'm not sure if they have it in their main page, but yeah, you can also use. I mean, here I think that they are only promoting Xero, but I think that they can also work with QuickBooks. There's an add-on for QuickBooks in which you can use Hubdoc. Okay, so the fourth feature we're checking is the user experience and the interface. So in this case, you can already see that Hubdoc is kind of more outdated than Dext, and Dext has a better and more updated user experience. Okay, and then as a fifth and last feature, both offer mobile apps to upload receipts. Okay, Dext app is better in the sense that it's more reliable and it's more updated, but Hubdoc also offers this mobile app. Okay, so third thing that we're going to check is the pricing. So pricing in this sense for Hubdoc, it's already included if you use Xero. Okay, so if you use Xero, Hubdoc is free for you. But if you don't use Xero, you have to pay up to starting at $12 per month. Okay, in the case of Dext depends on the volume of invoices you need per month. Okay, so you can see that it starts at $30 per month. So in this case, Hubdoc is more accessible, it's less expensive, but Dext in this case also offers more features. Okay, and well, basically, what solution should you use? Okay, so for Dext, we would also recommend, or we would always recommend Dext for businesses that need high volume of documents, and basically they need more accurate, they need better control over the processing, and also basically they care about the user experience of this software. And Hubdoc is recommended for zero users. So if you are a zero user and you want a simple tool that already works with zero, Hubdoc is a great option, and also does not cost you anything in this case. Okay, so basically, in summary, Dext wins in power, wins in speed, wins in flexibility, but also at a price. Obviously, it's not free. And then Hubdoc is solid, a free solution, and if you're deep in the zero ecosystem, also you want to automate some things without spending a lot, Hubdoc it's a great option. Okay, and then as a third option that we are not entering into detail here, but we can check Get-Invoice. Okay, Get-Invoice does everything as Hubdoc, does everything as Dext, but it has an even better user experience. It's much more reliable in the sense that it uses AI to extract invoices and process them, and also can connect to your accounting software. Okay, it has integrations with QuickBooks, it has integrations with Xero, and it has integrations with a lot of other accounting software, and also it has integration with your emails in the sense that you can connect your emails directly, and you will be able to extract and see all the invoices directly on your dashboard without having to manually upload them. Okay, so Get-Invoice is also a good option. It has a pricing starting at around $13 per month, which is the same as Hubdoc, and you can also test it for free. You don't need to add a credit account, you don't need to add a credit card to test it. You can test it for free and see if it's for you. So that's everything, and we'll see you in the next video.